Hello guys, all right. So my son received these shoes from a friend who couldn't use them. And guess what? I think they're worth $15,000 to $20,000. Yes, $15,000 to $20,000. This is the craziest frugal find I think we've ever had. I could not believe it. I had a friend call and she said, Tara, I got these Nikes from a friend. They're a size 13. My son can't wear them. Will any of your boys wear them? And I said, well, actually, yeah, I have two boys that are approximately that size. So she said, okay. She showed up at my door, brought them over. And as I was looking, I was like, well, this says Tiffany on the box. And she said, yeah, I know. And I was like, I wonder how much these things are. So while she was standing there, I looked and I scrolled and I couldn't find hardly any. Like there were black ones of this style, but I couldn't find any of the blue ones until I kept scrolling and scrolling. I was like, okay, where are the blue ones? So then I finally found some blue ones and they were like $15,000, $25,000, $5,000, $17,000. So as I'm editing this, I realized I left out, I even found a pair for $35,000 and $50,000 for these shoes. I was like, this is crazy. And what's even crazier was there was two people who had those shoes in their cart waiting to buy. This is insanity. I was like, wait a minute, this can't be serious. So I told my friend, so Jack had tried it on. And I said, wait a minute, maybe we need to look into this a little bit more before we start wearing these. So I started looking and sure enough, apparently these are original. I can't believe it, but I could not find how much the retail value is. You guys are much better at searching the stuff than I am. But here's the question that we want to know. How or if we can resell these? Now, it appears that these are authentic. They've got the little thing there. Here's the box. Here's the box, and look, it has this. They said this is authentic here. If this is orange, it's authentic. I was watching another YouTuber that my friend sent me because the day after we were both frantically looking this up. And then in the box, it has these extra shoelaces, and they actually come in the Nike bags. And then down here is the Nike paper and Tiffany paper that they were covered in. But here's the thing. I think the kid had worn them before we got them. So they're dirty on the bottom. There's a little bit of dirt on the side. The inside of the Nike shoe right there, can you see the Nike part is rubbed off on this one, but it's not rubbed off on that one. So that makes me think that they're a size 13 in the US. There's a couple of marks like right there. Guys, tell me, can we resell these if they've been worn? Now, just so you guys know, yes, I am giving them back to my friend. I'm not going to keep them and wear them for myself. She has a charity that she's very interested in helping. And if these are worth anything, she wants to sell them. But I don't know how to sell them. How do you sell something this expensive I mean, if we're talking $15,000 to $20,000 for the brand new ones, now these have been worn, but you guys, I need help. How in the world, or can we ship these? Are these truly something special? I think it is. I couldn't find the original price where they were when they were made. I did find they were made in March of 2023, I believe. And I'm sure there's a limited edition because I couldn't find hardly any for sale. I couldn't find hardly any for sale. So, can you guys let me know how my friend could resell these, or if she can even resell them since they've been worn? That's the thing. Since they've been worn, maybe not. But I thought, oh my goodness, if Jack went to school with a $15,000 pair of shoes on his feet, his parents were frugal, I thought that would have been the funniest thing. But, you know, here's the inside of the box. It's the original Tiffany blue box. On the back, right there, it's got the Nike thing. It's got the box got dinged on this side, and it's a little dinged on that side, and it looks like the box maybe has been scratched on that side. And of course the shoes, I think, appear to have been worn some, but there's no, it's not worn down on the heels or anything like that, just that bottom part, and then it looks a little dirty on the bottom. So, and the sides just a little bit. So guys, I need help. I've never had shoes this expensive before. Is this almost like wearing a Tiffany ring? I don't know how much are Tiffany rings. I never even looked it up. How much is a Tiffany ring? Should I have Mike give me a Tiffany ring? That's the question. So anyway, guys, help, please. I need your input if my friend can sell these or not. And if she does, where does she sell them? We have no idea where to even start with this. So I'm going to walk through here real quick for you resellers closer so you can see the Nike is rubbed off on the bottom right there, but the other side is okay. So that's why I think they were worn. Now you can see on the bottom here, they're slightly dirty, but they're not horrible scratched up. And then on the side here, there's a little bit of dirt over there. And you can see it has the original silver Tiffany logo, silver whatever this thing is on the back. And then you can see here's the box. So it's the original box, the blue Tiffany, and the laces are all in their original packages. And here's the original Tiffany Nike packaging that they have, and the orange sticker on the side telling what it is, with the silver thing on the side, and on the back it has all the original writing back there. By the way, they do fit Jack really well, so if we can't resell them, he's gonna wear them. Thank you for your help.